Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Titania Citra Bukti and I would like to explain about my novel. The title is Woman Last Seen in Her 30s by Camille Pagan. Camille Pagan is a woman with 2 children who lives in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Not only she writes the book Woman Last Seen in Her 30s, but Camille also wrote another great book. Among them, there is a book with the title Life and Other Near-Death Experiences, which became Kindle bestseller book and was published as a film. Woman Last Seen in Her 30s tells about the twists and turns of the life of a woman who had just been divorced by her husband. How the woman struggled to return to life and defend herself became the main topic discussed in this novel. The book list also says that the fourth novel by Camille is very fun and interesting, while the book reporter says that this novel is filled with wisdom of life. And then we continue to the discussion. This novel is sold locally and apparently has not been sold internationally. So if we want to buy it, we can buy this novel on Amazon or Barnes & Noble for about $25. Even this novel has not been adapted to the film yet, but this novel received a rating of 3.5 in Goodreads and 4.3 in Barnes & Noble out of 5 stars. Woman Last Seen in Her 30s is in the genre of emotion and subgenre of women's lives and relationships. Joyce Gisserick asserts that women's lives and relationship characteristics are a woman dealing with the vigorous of the relation with relatives, friends, and lovers. The problems usually resolved or resolution suggested, and the ending may end happily or miserably. These women have their own ways when dealing with the problems, having supporters in handling problems, usually women or men. The story in the novel is not rushed and has a contemporary setting. The field of women's life and relationship subgenre in the Woman Last Seen in Her 30s novel can be seen in the struggle, strife, and effort that is provided through the novel plot. The story discussed in this novel also follows the trend that is growing around us now. The story is about an affair between a man and woman, although only told at the beginning of the chapter. But the story will interest us in reading because it is served with injustice and unconsciously we are waiting for the revenge from the woman to the man. The character development of the woman who can finally move on from the past and from her ex-husband also makes this novel very interesting to read. This escapism point is also sought by the author. Escapism is sometimes shown when a character wants to escape from the feelings of sadness and wants to entertain themselves. The first escapism was when Maggie went to the room alone. Maggie was supposed to go to the room with her husband, but that couldn't be done because they were divorced. So Maggie made the decision to go to the room alone. By going to the room alone, this can be identified as escapism behavior because she was traveling. The day when her husband stayed that he wanted to divorce with Maggie, Maggie continued to consume an alcohol. Even when she was in Rome, Maggie also consumed an alcohol in her vacation time. This can also be included as in escapism behavior. When she gets an offer from Rose to stay in Ann Arbor, it can also be identified as escapism behavior because she goes out of a town to distract her mind and stay away from her ex-husband Adam. The things Maggie did about how she got up from the dark times and met the strength she had. Maggie tried everything to be able to forget her ex-husband. As shown in Chapter 5, Maggie went to the mall to buy new clothes and unconsciously she buys some cosmetics to look beautiful in front of Adam. Going on vacation to Rome alone to forget Adam, and she sells the house where she and Adam used to live together because she felt it would be better to bury the memories of the two of them. Maggie, who lives in another town and tries to find a job until find a new lover, is also a way for Maggie to move on from her ex-husband. And of course, these things are the strength of Maggie that may not be able to be done by any characters. The weakness in Maggie's character was when she could not be firm on her own feelings. Maggie was hesitant about her feelings and hung on to people who had feelings for her. But that did not go on for long because Maggie had a wise character and could decide a decision very well. This character of Maggie is very interesting and can make her loved by other characters in the novel. The plot presented by Camille Pagan may be very familiar about how people cheated on their lovers and then divorced, and how people try to move on. But Camille Pagan novel is also suitable for people who want to find ways on how to move on from their ex-partner. And although at the end of the story, Adam met Maggie to remarry him, but Maggie refused Adam because she had found someone better. The setting and choice of words chosen by Camille Pagan are also amazing. She told the details of the building, especially when Maggie was in the room. The view of the pillars, historical buildings, and temples are described in a beautiful language, yet still understandable by the reader. When describing flavors in food, a beautiful and comfortable place to stay is the attraction things of this novel. When the author describes in detail and places tastes that are delicious and various kinds of feeling, we seem to be able to feel it, and we are like living in the novel. Maggie's feeling when divorced by Adam and when she reminisces with her mother are very interesting and touch the heart of the reader. And then we continue to the conclusion. In this novel, there are many interesting stories that are solved with various solutions that might be useful for us. In the novel Woman Lassie in Her 30s, Maggie, the main character, is divorced by her husband Adam, and she tries many things to overcome the problem. Although this fourth book does not achieve the equivalent rank of Camille Pagan's second book. This book is interesting and there are many things that we might be able to learn in the future from this book. Even though everyone has their own way to deal with some problems, it can still be done because no one on earth is the same. And as long as it can help them alleviate and overcome those problems. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.